Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can set up shipping on your TikTok shop. So first off, I'm already on my homepage here. And if you don't know the homepage, it's this link for me. It might be different from you. It really depends on the region. So first off, you want to go. I'm just going to close out all of these tabs here, right? And the first thing you want to do when you want to get started with shipping is that you have to add a warehouse first on TikTok. So, a warehouse is where the system will know where to get your product and where to return it or where to pick it up or where to drop it off as well. So, first off, you'll have to start with adding a warehouse. So, you want to go to here on my account, and on my account, you need to go to account settings. And on account settings, there's a lot of things like user management, qualification, taxes, and the things we want to do here, which is warehouse settings, right? So you want to click on this warehouse settings. And right now I already have a example warehouse here. So I can use this, but for your convenience, I'm going to show you how you can add a warehouse as well. So you want to do this, add a warehouse, right? And after that, you can click on this if you want, save, same as the save warehouse address, but I'm going to decheck that. And we can add a name here. I'm just going to add example 2, and the contact person is an example person, something like that. And the phone number is just going to be random jumble of things. It's just an example. But when you want to actually add shipping, make sure that you fill this warehouse out, the contact person, and also the phone number with a real person and their actual phone number and with a warehouse name that's recognizable, right? So for the address, again, I'm just going to do a random jumble of letters like street in a block or something like that. And I'm also going to pick the region here. So it's Indonesia. I'm going to do Bali. I'm just going to click random stuff here. Yep, something like that. And once you're happy with this, make sure to double check it. But after that, just click on save. And it's not a valid phone number, but I'm just going to do that and I'm going to click on save, right? And now there you go. Now we have a return warehouse here, and we also have a pickup warehouse here, right? If you want to edit, you just click on this, see, to edit it, and you can also edit it here as well. There you go. Now, once you have a return warehouse and a pickup warehouse, you can finally do the shipping. You can click on here, shipping, and then you can click on shipping options. Now, once you've created a warehouse, it depends on where you live, but from where I live, once you create a warehouse, it'll automatically provide me with a 3 standardized shipping, which is standard, economy, and cargo. And I can't change this. It's already preset for me. So all I had to do was add a warehouse. You can turn this on and off if you want, but I'm just going to leave it on. And you can check the details of the shipping from the description here.